Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from various companies like Deloitte, Walmart, Cognizant and other important hiring. So if you are the freshers looking for some important job opportunity, then this video is for you. So first important opportunity that is from the Deloitte, and earlier also I have provided update related to this. They are hiring for the role of financial service desk analyst. So if you are the freshers looking for this wonderful opportunity, then you should apply. These will be your roles and responsibility, and the requirement is you should be having excellent written, verbal and analytical skills, and you should have knowledge of computer and internet connectivity. So this will be your shift timing and job location in Hyderabad. So if you are interested, you can apply. You should be having from BSc, BCom, BCA backgrounds, I mean non-engineering backgrounds, and diploma students are also eligible. Moving to next, that is from the Walmart. They are hiring for the role of grad intern. No work experience, means this is completely for the freshers. So if you want to build your career in AI ML technology, then you can apply for this. So those who are passing in 2027 must apply for this. Again saying friends, before applying you should be, means you should update your resume. Okay, I will make a dedicated video related to especially 2027 pass out, that what should be your strategy and plan. So wait for that, but for this you should be having greater than or 7 or above CGPA. Next important number that is from the Cognizant. They are hiring freshers for the locations of Bhubaneswar, and this is work from home. Okay, so this is remote jobs. If you are interested, you can apply. This will be your day shift, and Saturday and Sunday will be off. So if you are interested and have a knowledge of non-voice process or email support communications, these are the skill set requirement. Remember, this is non-tech profile. So if you want, you can apply for that. Moving to next, that is from the inside. They are hiring for the role of customer success operations. So this is also a non-tech profile. So if you are interested, you can apply for that, and you will be having some kind of technical will be also okay, like regular operation insights. Another thing. So friends, recently TCS have released the results. So if you are the candidates who have got the result and want to basically schedule your mock interview, then you can fill the form in the description. We will provide you complete guidance and support which will help you to clear this interview. Next important opportunity, that is from the TV9 Bangla. They are hiring the intern. So if you are from the communication background, means must be pursuing mass communication in relevant discipline, then you can just share your updated CV. Remember, share the job link with your teammates and other who are there. Okay. Now this is from the Accenture. Those who have some experience, you can apply for the AI ML computational science analyst. So 2024 can apply for this because minimum experience required 2 years. Moving to last important that is from the americanchase. They are hiring 2024, 2025, 2026 engineering graduate. If you're from the BE, B.Tech, MCA and ready to start your career, then you can just apply for it. The requirement is you should be having strong verbal and written communication skill, and B.Tech, MCA are eligible for this wonderful opportunity. So there will be also CAF facility for the female employees. So if you are interested, you can apply. Moving to last, that is from the Genpact. They are hiring for the role of consultant QA automation engineer. So if you want to build your career with a good MNC, then you can apply for that. The requirement is you should be having BE, B.Tech and MCA, and you should be having good communication skill. Besides that, other knowledge like the software testing, QA processes, AI means UI automation and others are there. So if you are interested, you can apply. This is a wonderful opportunity, and graduates are eligible for this. So these are the important job update. If you need this kind of video, make sure to support and subscribe us. We regularly post lots of important job update on my YouTube channel. So मिलते हैं next video में. Thank